Hello FMG, today we are going to see anatomy one-liners. All the muscles of the tongues are supplied by hypoglossal nerve except palatoglossus. All the muscles of palatate are supplied by pharyngeal plexus except stylopharyngeus. All the muscles of larynx are supplied by the recurrent laryngeal nerve except cricothyroid. Pneumatic bones, maxilla, ethmoid, sigmoid, mastoid and frontal. Hybrid or composite muscles, adductor magnus, biceps femoris, flexor digitorum profundus. Digastric muscle is omoid, occipital frontalis, etc. Tensor tympanic is a nerve inverted by mandibular nerve, branch of cranial nerve 5. Spiral groove of humerus is occupied by radial nerve. Sphincter and dilated pupillae are derived from neuroectoderm. Type of joint in growth plate, primary cartilaginous joint. Axillary nerve supplies teres minor and deltoid. Diaphragma develops from septum transversum, pleuroperitoneal membrane, cervical myotomus. Muscular component of dorsal aorta develops from praxial mesoderm. Main blood supply of head of femur is medial circumflex femoral. Lower third of vagina develops from urogenital sinus. Urinary bladder is lined by transition epithelium. Worn-bones nests are seen in urothelium. Piriformis hip is lateral rotator. Prearticular lymphoid sheath is PALS is a histological feature of spleen. Maxillary nerve passes through foramen rotundum. Palatissima is supplied by facial nerve. Splenic artery lies in splenorenal ligament. Renal angle lies between 12th rib and lateral border of sacrospinalis. Nerve supply of trapezius is accessory nerve. Nerve supply of gluteus medius and minimus superior gluteal nerve. Klumpke's palsy involves C7, C8 and T1. Nerve related to medial epicondyle of humerus is ulnar nerve. Tendon passing below sustentaculum tali of calcaneum. Flexor hallucis longus. Right gastroepilogue artery is a branch of gastroduodenal artery. Gastroepileptic artery is a branch of splenic artery. SA node is commonly supplied by nodal branch from right coronary artery. Loss of thumb apposition is due to median nerve injury. Adductor canal, subserratorial canal lies beneath serratorius muscle. Maxillary sinus opens in the middle meters of nose in the lower part of the hiatus semilunaris. Germinal center is a histological feature of lymph node. Vigian nerve is a nerve of pterygoid canal. Lymphatic of suprarenal gland drains into para-aortic nodes. Trendelenburg's test is positive in injury to superior gluteal nerve which supplied gluteus medius and meniscus. Notochord persists as nucleus pulposus intravertebral disc. Brachioradialis is supplied by radial nerve. Oral diaphragma is formed by myloid. Ascending pharyngeal artery is a branch of external carotid artery. Gartner duct is a remnant of Wolffian duct. Subarachnoid or subdural space end at S2. Number of spinal nerve pairs is 31. Superior thoracic artery is a branch of first part of axillary artery. Spermatogenesis occurs at the temperature lower than the body temperature, that is why testes hangs away from the body. In the absence of Y chromosome is ovary develops. Tympanic membrane develops from all the three germ layers. Within 3 weeks, trilaminar disc granulations formation, notochord forms, primitive streak begins to form. Umbilical cord has 2 arteries and 1 veins. Right vein disappears, left is left. H mode is deficient in mesoderm. Testicular descendant passes through the inguinal canal at 7 months and enters scrotum at 9 months. Eastern Sprung's disease, defective migration of neural crest cells. External lining of external auditory meatus is derived from first pharyngeal groove cleft. At birth, following structures or adult size is tympanic cavity, air ossiculus and mastidium antrum. Midline cleft lip is due to failure of fusion of two medial nasal process. Cleft lip is usually associated with cleft palate. Ascending pharyngeal arteries supplies tonsil. Pleuroperitoneal floats are associated with development of diaphragm. In adult, a spinal cord ends at the lower border of L1 vertebrate. In infants, the level is the lower border of L3. Anterior digastric develops from first pharyngeal arch, whereas posterior digastric develops from second posterior pharyngeal arch. Apex of heart is formed by left ventricle. Third ventricle develops from diencephalon. Fourth ventricle develops from Romancephalon. Myelin is formed in CNS by oligodendrocytes. Superfemale XXX has two bare bodies. Myelin sheet formation in PNS is done by Schwann cells. In fetal life, left side superior vena cava drains into coronary sinuses. Only cranial nerve arises from the dorsal aspect of the brain stem in trochlear nerve. Facial nerve communicates with cavernous sinus through the superior and inferior ophthalmic veins. Stenson's duct parotid gland, Wathen's duct submandibular gland.